Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Education Planet. So today we are going to discuss 11 important MCQs solved of previous year's question papers of NEET AIMS JIPMER of class 11th Biology chapter 16 Digestion and Absorption. And yes, if you have any doubts regarding the last two lectures or this lecture, please comment down in the comment box or comment section so that I will get to know it and I will provide you the solution as soon as possible. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Education Planet. And guys, this video contains 11 questions as the weightage of this chapter and this entire unit, Human Physiology, contains a huge weightage in the NEET, AIMS and other competitive exams. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. Here we go to the question number 1. Question 1. The small intestine has three parts. The first part is called option 1 duodenum, option 2 esophagus, option 3 larynx, or option 4 none of the above. So the correct option is option 1 duodenum, as the esophagus and larynx are another parts of the alimentary canal. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. It says that dash is a characteristic feature of epithelial cells of the intestine. Option 1 glottis, option 2 pilus, option 3 bolus, or option 4 microvilli. So the correct option is option 4 microvilli, as the microvilli is the outer protection for villi which is present on the intestine or which is a part of intestine. So the correct option was 4 microvilli. So here we go on to the next question, question number 3. An infant feeding entirely on the mother's milk passes stools that are colored yellow. What is the reason for this? Option 1 casein, option 2 bile pigments, option 3 pancreatic pigments, or option 4 none of the above. So the correct option is option 2 bile pigments, as it assists the digestion and absorption of fats present in the bile salts. A dental condition that is characterized by hypermineralization of teeth enamel due to excessive intake of dash. The teeth often appear mottled. So options are option 1 sodium, option 2 calcium, option 3 fluoride, or option 4 mercury. So the right option is option 3 fluoride. So let's go to next question, question number 5. Spicy food coupled with anxiety may lead to 1 indigestion, 2 hypotension, 3 seizures, or 4 none of the above. So the right answer is indigestion. This is the clear-cut line of anxiety in the disorders of digestion. So next question says that one of the reasons why some people cough after eating a meal may be due to the improper movement of 1 larynx, 2 diaphragm, 3 neck, 4 epiglottis. So the right option is 4 epiglottis, because epiglottis is the passage of windpipe and food both, as it switches air and food both. So therefore when people cough, the food enters the windpipe due to the improper movement of epiglottis. So let's move on to the next question, question number 7. Dash is a protein deficiency disorder. 1 scurvy, 2 anemia, 3 kwashiorkor, or 4 none of the above. So you would be known to this answer. The answer is option number 3, kwashiorkor. So let's move on to the next question, question number 8. In frogs, the surface of the attachment for the tongue is option 1 tympanum, option 2 palate, option 3 pterygoid, or option 4 hyoid apparatus. So the right option is option 4 hyoid apparatus, as the hyoid apparatus is located on the floor of the buccal cavity and in between the arms of the mandibular arc. So it provides or helps in ingestion of the food. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. It says that doctors will suggest dash if person is suffering from high blood cholesterol. Option 1 ghee, option 2 vegetable oil, option 3 dalda, or option 4 lard. So guys, you have to comment this answer in the comment section or the comment box, and we are going to move on to the next question. Question number 10. Chymosin is also known as lipase, amylase, trypsin, or renin. So the correct option is option 4 renin. As chymosin is also known as renin, which is an enzyme present in the stomach. Its role in digestion is to curdle or coagulate milk in the stomach. There is one more renin spelled RENIN, which is present in the kidney. So the examiner will try to confuse you. So be careful about that. So let's move on to the next question and the last question of this video. Question number 11. In humans, lacteals are found in ileum, esophagus, ear, or none of the above. So the right option is option 1 ileum. As the lacteals are present on the villi of the small intestine, so according to these questions, ileum is the part of small intestine. So therefore the option 1 is correct, ileum. So guys, I hope you all like this video, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.